royalties. Let's say you write a book, right? And you write this book. This is it's a really good book, and you give someone else the rights to sell that book, right? And every time that person makes a sale from those books, then you're going to get a commission. You can use royalties with NFTs, non-fungible tokens. You can register something on a blockchain as an NFT, and then let's say you do a song, let's say you have a picture. Every time someone uses that thing that you produced, you're going to be getting royalties off of that. And that is basically, you put the upfront effort once, you create that thing, and then every time someone uses that, you don't have to create anything every single time that someone is going to use it. It's already made. So it's going to be passive income forever. And with that said, this method is pretty easy to start. It doesn't require any money. You can basically use your creativity, create something and give it to someone. People will use it, pay you to do it, and you'll earn money. It's not hard to start. It's pretty easy to start. It doesn't cost you anything to start, and it is not hard to maintain.